Hi, so today I'm going to teach you how to do a double crochet stitch. So what you have to do is you have to prepare the chain. On how to do the chain, you can actually refer to my previous tutorial video. So today I'm going to teach you how to do double crochet. So what you have to do first is you have to yarn over, and for me I'll start off with the third chain instead of the first or the second chain because I want to make the height of it. So you go through your third chain, the third chain, you insert it and pull it over. Now you have three yarns. Yarn over the first two, okay, and then you have yarn over again on the second two. Now you have your first double crochet, okay. So I'll do that again. Yarn over and insert it in the next chain. Pull this over. Now you have three yarns. Yarn over, pull it through the first two, and now you left the two and you yarn over again on the last two. Now you have your second double crochet. I'll do that again. Yarn over, insert it in the chain, yarn over. Okay, now you have three. Yarn over on the first two and yarn over on the last two. Okay, I'll do that again. Yarn over, insert it in the next chain. Okay, yarn over. Right, now you have three. Yarn over first two and yarn over to the last two. Yarn over and insert it in the chain. Yarn over. Right, yarn over the first two and yarn over the next two. Right, I'll show you the end result of it. This is double crochet. Okay, and alright, yarn over first two, last two, yarn over first two and last two. So now this is the result of double crochet. Okay, this is the result of double crochet. Okay, alright, that's all for today. Thank you.